Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's do the topic of Ila in Muslim law. What is Ila? You see, I have already discussed with you in the earlier videos. The Muslim husband can divorce his wife through three modes: talaqul ahsan, talaqul hasan, and triple talaq. That is talaqul biddat. But as far as talaqul biddat is concerned, it is illegal now in India to have this type of divorce. Now the husband cannot pronounce this divorce on his wife because in Shaira Banu case in 2017 it is banned by Supreme Court of India and it is illegal for a husband to pronounce triple divorce on his wife. This we have done earlier. But Talaqul Hasan and Hasan are still there. They are totally valid and Muslim husband can pronounce divorce in these two ways even now also. But the thing is that these ways are express ways. He expressly wants divorce in these ways. But Ila is an indirect type of divorce. Hasan and Ahsan are direct type of divorces, but Ila is an indirect type of divorce. He does not expressly says that I am divorcing you or I am having talaq or talaq. Obviously, he is not saying anything like this. He does not express his intention to have talaq with or getting talaq from his wife. But his conduct is such that obviously a sane person presumes or concludes that actually he wants dissolution of marriage. His conduct is such. What is his conduct? Actually, he says that to his wife, obviously, he says that I will not be having any sexual intercourse with you for 4 months. I will not be having any physical relation with you for 4 months from now onwards. He is said to made Ila. This is Ila. So he swears in the name of Allah that I will not be having any sexual intercourse with you. He swears in the name of the God and Allah or Allah that I will not be having any physical relation with you for 4 months. He is said to make Ila. Just making Ila itself does not dissolve the marriage in Shia Muslims. In Shia Muslims, the wife has to go to the court. She has to approach the court. But in Sunni Muslims, just by pronouncing Ila, divorce is there. The marriage automatically ends. Obviously, after 4 months are completed, once the 4th month is completed, marriage dissolves irrevocably. In Sunnis, marriage dissolves irrevocably once the 4th month is completed, and actually the husband does not perform any sexual activity. He does not have any sexual intercourse with his wife within those 4 months. So once the 4th month is over, in Sunni Muslims, marriage is dissolved irrevocably. But in Shia law, wife has to approach the court. Until unless she does not approach the court, the marriage subsists and it does not dissolve automatically. In Shia law, she has to approach the court. But in Sunnis, once the 4th month is completed and the husband actually does not had any sexual intercourse within those 4 months, after the completion of the 4 months in Sunnis, marriage dissolves irrevocably. Ila is completed. But very important, in case after saying Ila or after taking a vow on the name of Allah that I will not be having any sexual intercourse with you within 4 months from now onwards, within those 4 months he actually had sexual intercourse with his wife. He is having any physical relation. So once he had any physical relation within those 4 months, then the Ila is cancelled. Obviously, Ila is cancelled. If he resumes sexual activity with his wife within those 4 months, Ila is cancelled. But in case those 4 months are over and he doesn't had any sexual activity, in Sunnis, once the 4th month is over, marriage dissolves automatically. No need to get a judicial decree from the court. Wife need not to approach the court. That's it. Marriage ends. But in Shias, she has to approach the court. Until unless she does not approach the court, marriage will subsist and she has to go to the court. So this is Ila. I hope you like the lecture. Do comment on my videos so that I can learn from your comments. Thank you very much. Best of luck.